even if we do the infrastructure, even if we're passing more business-friendly laws, even if we're increasing trade, I think all of you know that we're also going to have to keep promoting the good governance that allows for good business. Graft, cronyism, corruption, it stifles growth, scares off investment. A business should begin with a handshake and not a shakedown. So through our efforts like our open government partnership and our partnership on illicit finance, we're going to keep working to encourage transparency, stamp out corruption, and uphold the rule of law. That's what's going to ultimately attract trade and investment and opportunity. The truth is that those governments that are above board and transparent, people want to do business there. People don't want to do business in places where the rules are constantly changing depending on who's up, who's down, whose cousin is who. It creates the kinds of risks that scare investors away. And finally, we need to invest more in Africa's most precious resource, and that is its people, especially young people.